I'm here just heating up a little bit of chicken. I'm trying to toast it up. Give it a little bit more flavor that way. And then I started loading my small, I guess it's a salad plate maybe? I don't know. My plate, and it got too full. So I think I'm gonna transfer it to the big dog right here. Plus I microwaved a potato, so I'm gonna add potatoes to my salad. So let's do that. I love making huge loaded salads. Everything I love, I'll just add it and toss it in there. Check it out, you guys. Hard to put you on there, dang. All right, here we go. So hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm just gonna try to like slide it because this got a little too crowded in this little plate. Oh boy. Holy moly. That's a big old salad. So what my brother and I have nicknamed Super Salad. Clean this up. Get it out the way so I can show you. Golly, that's an enormous salad. Oh my gosh. All right. Check this out. Wow. And I still have the chicken, little bits of chicken sprinkled on there. Yeah. You ready for a hefty chicken salad? Wow. Add whatever your favorite ingredients are and put it over lettuce and call it a super salad. A dang good salad. Look at that. Wow. Let me put the chicken on there. All right, y'all. So let me top off this with the chicken. Here you go. Look at that. Just little bits of chicken. Holy cow. It looks ginormous, bigger than me. It's not, but it's a lot. It's a lot. And let me top it off with some dressing. Look at this. Come on. Holy cow. 5-pound salad right here. All right, y'all. Tell me what you think about this ginormous salad. Yeah, if you're hungry after this, I don't know what to tell you. This is a huge salad. So it's got potatoes, carrots, chicken, black beans, the lettuce, a dressing. Oh my God, everything you can think of. Whatever was in my fridge, I plopped it right in there. Let's enjoy my ginormous salad. Holy cow. And I don't rinse my black beans, so you can see it's a little bit darker. I like it. I like the flavor. It doesn't bother me. And cheers to you. And of course, drink your water, guys. Thanks so much for watching Dia's Frugal Life. I'm Dia, and if you enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for more future videos.